Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous video we saw what is variable in Java and what's its syntax. We have not discussed about what is data type. That's a different topic that we will do in more detail, but for now we're just covering around what is class and how to create variables inside it and then how to use it. So we just get to know that that's the syntax and that's how they looks like. Okay, but where to create them? So for that we create a new paint and let's create a class. So we already know what like how class looks like. So it goes like public class, and I'm going to create a class named person. Guys, Java is a real-time language. You can say object-oriented language. So we can use real-time examples like person, human, boy, girl, animals, plants, whatever you can think of. You can just create its class for that, and you can just imagine if you have a person class. Think about a real time. If you have a person, that means that person must have some name, some unique ID. It could be a security security number, some any ID which can uniquely identifies that okay, that's the person. So on the on the same basis we can create Java classes as well. So we have ID there, which is going to int, a name which is going to be of string type, and age, which is also again of int type. So I'm going to create three variables inside this person class, and then let's see how to use them. Okay, so going forward to Eclipse, that's my package. That's fine. I'm going to create a new package out there, and I'll call it com.pack. Let's call it basics. That's the package name. There it is. Our empty package looks like white. A package contains anything, it shows in brownish color. Okay, so right click on this basics package, new, and a Java class. Just give the class name. No need to change anything because we have right click on right place. So no need to change it. So make sure you are right clicking on the right place. Then give your class name, person, and done. So finish. Here we go. And Eclipse will generate a simple structure of a class. Next, we need to have these three properties there. Copy and paste. Let's complete this whole thing. It's public int id equals to, let's say, 01, public string serum, public int age 25. Yeah, so that's how we create variables. So our our Java class is ready with some variables. How to call them outside, or how to see them. That's the whole idea. If you just keep things inside person class, so what's the point of creating it? So once you're creating or done with the class and its contents, you have to use them somewhere. So that we will see in next class, how to create this class object and how to call them. Thanks for watching guys. Let's meet in next video. Bye bye.